Hey everyone, and welcome to Beginner Bits. Are you thinking AI is taking over the coding world? Well, hold on to your keyboards. Today, we are debunking that myth and showing you why you should be partnering with AI, not fearing it. Because guess what? Coding is about to become even more powerful with AI by your side. Imagine building the next groundbreaking app or game, but with a super smart assistant helping you write cleaner and more efficient code. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Let's dive in and discover how coding, not robots, will be the future. Here's the deal, AI is incredible, but it can't replace your coding magic. And here's why. AI can generate code suggestions, but it can't define the purpose behind your project. You, the coder, bring the creative spark and problem solving skills that make your project unique. Struggling with a tricky line of code? AI can analyze existing code and recommend improvements, making you a more efficient coder. AI can help identify potential errors and inefficiencies in your code, saving you debunking headaches. Imagine AI analyzing your coding style and suggesting personalized learning paths to improve your skills even faster. Think of AI as your ultimate coding sidekick, not a replacement. It will empower you to code smarter, not harder. Let's be honest, AI generated code can be tricky. Imagine an app built entirely by AI. It might function, but would it be intuitive and enjoyable to use? Probably not. That's where you, the coder, come in. Your critical thinking skills are crucial for analyzing AI generated code, ensuring it's not only functional but also user friendly. AI is a powerful tool, but it needs a human coder to polish the final product. Now, let's talk about the real magic that happens when you combine your coding skills with AI. Here are some incredible possibilities. Faster development. Imagine cutting down development time with AI's code suggestions and bug detection. More innovative ideas. AI can spark new ideas and approaches to coding problems, leading to groundbreaking solutions. A more accessible coding world. AI tools can help break down the learning barrier for beginners, making coding accessible for a wider audience. The future of coding is a powerful collaboration between humans and AI. It's a future where you, the coder, are in complete control, and AI is your ultimate coding superpower. Alright, convinced that coding with AI is the future? Here's how to get started. Pick a beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript and explore platforms that integrate AI assistants like GitHub Copilot or any other one. Tons of free and paid resources are available, and many online courses offer tutorials especially designed for working with AI coding tools. Don't be afraid to experiment. Use AI suggestions as a starting point, then tweak and refine the code to make it your own. Connect with other coders online or in coding communities. Share your progress, ask questions, and learn from each other, especially those leveraging AI tools. Remember, coding with AI is a collaborative journey. You are the captain of this coding ship, and AI is your awesome tech first mate. Don't be discouraged if it takes time. Learning to code is a marathon, not a sprint. But with dedication and your AI sidekick by your side, you will be building incredible things in no time. Bonus tip: coding can be a lot of fun. There are tons of online coding challenges and games where you can put your skills to the test and connect with other aspiring coders. Now, here's the exciting part. Are you ready to unlock your inner coder and start your coding adventure with AI? If you are, then smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I will be here every week sharing coding tips, tricks, and projects to help you on your journey. Let's code for the future. Thanks for joining me today and happy coding.